Welcome to AI Force, your source for Salesforce AI news and insights. I'm Mark Good, and Salesforce has introduced two new and very important capabilities that AI specialists need to get familiar with. First, we have the Data Cloud Vector Database, and secondly, we have Einstein CoPilot Search. These are both integrated as a part of the Einstein One platform. And the big breakthrough here is redefining how businesses can capitalize on unstructured data, bringing a new era of information gathering and, more importantly, decision-making for Salesforce users. For the sake of simplicity, I'm going to refer to the Data Cloud Vector Database as just Vector Store. Vector stores became popular within the AI community and is now being adopted by Salesforce. A vector store for Salesforce is a solution to the age-old challenge of unstructured data. This data comes in formats like emails, PDFs, social media posts, audio files, and more. This vector store simplifies the integration of diverse data types into Einstein CoPilot. Something hidden inside this release of the vector store is the ability to create proactive flows. How does this work? Once you feed a group of unstructured data to the vector store, you can now ask questions to gain insights on this newly available data using semantics. Because of the results, you can set up and trigger actions such as record updates, creating reminders for users, producing customer email follow-ups, and more. You're going to create data analysis and structure immediate informed actions, transforming insights into impactful business outcomes. I guarantee this is a powerful feature of the vector store that will go undiscovered by most for a while. Those who will know about this feature will surely be on the AIForceTraining platform, where we bring actionable AI to Salesforce professionals through the GPT Specialist program at AIForceTraining.com. This vector store feature being deployed into Einstein CoPilot will also meet Salesforce's goals by strengthening end-user trust in AI. With every response from the vector store, CoPilot will now provide links to actual source data, giving you a chance to go ahead and audit the results, ensuring reliability. This is especially crucial as CoPilot evolves into Salesforce's primary conversational UI. The shift from traditional interfaces to this new AI-driven UI represents a fundamental change in how users interact with Salesforce. Making data accessible and AI responses trustworthy is more important than ever before, and Salesforce is leading the way. As a prompt engineer, I appreciate that Salesforce made the vector store responses available to use inside of Prompt Builder. By infusing vector database results into your prompts, you unlock more possibilities for users by standardizing prompts that pull specific insights from the vector store without users having to do all of the heavy lifting. Remember, the prompts are in essence code scripts and enable you to create complex action queries and scenarios, all to help your end users achieve a streamlined workflow. You'll be creating prompts rich with contextual data from your organization and now include unstructured information as well. The true power of the vector store lies in its ability to extract value from the plethora of documents within your organization and within Data Cloud that are currently dead weight. The other feature, named Einstein CoPilot Search, will use the same semantic search features and stands to become the go-to search method for users looking to gain insights on how to progress forward with any given record. Since it's embedded within CoPilot, it promises not only search results, but relevant, context-aware answers to users' questions. This is the future of search, where we move beyond looking for simple keywords in a global search within the structured org data, and now we move towards RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation, where AI has the org data at its fingertips to pull back relevant information while also citing the sources. Searches will be in natural language questions where the intent and nuances of each question will be determined by AI and pull back precise and actionable information. Salesforce's updates to the Einstein One platform and CoPilot are more than just a technical enhancement here. They represent the next step along the paradigm shift in how we view and utilize AI in the new generative AI era. From unlocking the potential of unstructured data to building trust in AI and transforming user experiences, Salesforce is definitely paving the way for a smarter, more connected, and innovative CRM. Okay, for now, subscribe before you go, and I'll see you on the next one.